Hi, I'm Maile Collmer, and I help business owners and salespeople fill their pipeline full of more warm, pre-qualified appointments. And I do that by helping them build a powerful referral team that sends them a steady stream of business through referrals. However, referrals aren't the only thing I do. I help people with their leadership, with their communication, and with better collaboration. So today I have a story to share with you. I recently had my Room Full of Referrals workshop, and that workshop's all about communication. It's about understanding people based on their behavioral style. And there's 4 basic behavioral styles, and we all are a blend of all 4 styles, but just varying degrees of intensity. So oftentimes we will lead with one behavioral style or maybe 2 behavioral styles. So one of my clients, she is an examiner, and she has a need for knowledge and information. Examiners love and actually have a need to know all the details. So that type of person is going to ask a lot of questions, and it will take them time to make a decision or to be able to move forward on something until they have that information that they need to be able to move forward. Well, this person has a business partner who is a promoter, and a promoter is actually the exact opposite of an examiner. A promoter likes things fun and easy. They're a super people person, and they oftentimes are very talkative and just are very quick. They're very fast paced. So we've got the examiner with that slower pace, need for details and information. We've got the faster pace, people person who wants it fun and easy and definitely doesn't want all the details. So by attending the Room Full of Referrals workshop, my client, who's the examiner, got all the information she needed to be able to have better communication and better understanding of her business partner. So she has a little more patience and understanding when she's trying to get information from her business partner. She knows that that business partner is moving fast and sometimes won't get into the details. So she knows that she's going to have to ask her questions multiple times to get the answer. And she just sticks with it, and she eventually gets to have that answer. And she tries to make it as easy and as light and fun as possible in her examiner way. And this has led to better communication, better collaboration, and they're able to connect and serve their clients at a higher level because they are connecting and collaborating and serving that client at a higher level, being better cohesive team. So having that opposite behavioral style can work together and actually provides a really comprehensive service to that client because they're going to get all of the things that they need. So this is just a story I wanted to share about how this information has helped people be more productive in their business, have better relationship, have easier time communicating and being able to get those results that they're looking for their clients. I'm Maile Collmer with Asentiv, helping business owners and salespeople build better business through relationships.